everybody, I'm Ron, Judy's behind the camera. We're full-time green. And this is the 2021 primetime Sanibel 3102Rswb. We're going to start out up in the very front end here in the master bedroom. It's got a king-size bed inside. A lot of cabinet space, a lot of storage. There's hookups for a washer dryer. There's all the hookups for a television are here. I don't see a television here, but a lot of drawers. That's medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet, little foot. Come in the door with some cabinets, and then we got the tire minders on it. Got tires and stuff. More cabinets, fuse boxes, pantry door. We got residential style refrigerator. Stove and a full-size oven underneath. It's a really nice big oven. Sun Island, we've got some cabinets on this side. Got a big set-in sink. 3 more drawers along the side. Some pretty nice light fixtures up above the island itself too. In the living area, there's a televator that comes up for the countertops, cabinets above. This whole slides, this side slides out for the kitchen. There's the Fury and Entertainment Center type of thing underneath. Fireplace down below that's kicking out an awful lot of heat for us. In the end, we have some more cabinets overhead. We have a full queen-size bed that pulls out. Nice little sofa, sleeper sofa. Come around to the other side in the slide. We have some power reclining chairs. The heat and massage. A nice table with 4 chairs on it. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and we'll see you at the next one.